morning, everybody. Ma Terry here, and where am I? I am back home, and just temporarily, what I have to do is fix a problem that I'm having with my van. By the way, Leilani, I get so many compliments off of this hat. People want to snatch it right off of me. In fact, in one night, I got 2, so isn't that crazy? Also, I got your letter, so I'm going to do mail call too. All right, so what is the problem? Let me explain to you what my problem is. Let me turn this around. Go. All right, my crate bed. Every time I hit the brakes, it wants to go forward. Now, I don't want my bed, I did not want my bed up there. Why? Because this is Lucy's sleeping area, and also I have cup holders there that are near and dear to my heart. Let me show you. See these wood planks that I cut out? I've tried different ways of securing them, but every time we hit the brakes, we go forward. And then at nighttime, I have to refix my bed. I am tired of refixing my bed, so what I'm going to do is tear it all apart. One of the temporary solutions I had, not a great solution, was I put a couple of these little bottles here, and then I don't know if you can see that, I put soda cans and stuff there. So I don't want my bed sliding forward anymore. It's no fun. All right, let's see if I can come up with a creative solution to fix it. All right, so here's how you can see. I basically had it wedged with a soup can. And that was okay, but not a great idea. Not a great idea. Let's fix this. All right, so I'm cleaning it up right now. All right, this is not only Lucy hair, but it's official RTR dirt. That's what it is. It is official RTR dirt. And boy, when the sandstorms go, my gosh, it just goes and goes and goes. All right, I'm going to clean up a little bit more, and then we'll try a different approach. Next, I'm removing this stuff. Why? Because I want to make sure that that crate is as far back as it can be. Oh, that one's heavy. Woo! That's a good heavy thing. Always carry extra water. Remember the video about distilled water? There they are. I found regular water every day, so that was good. All right, so what I'm doing is playing with different configurations. Believe it or not, I like the idea of the water bottles. That's a great water bottle storage area, except for these water bottles are too tall, for my wood board to go across. This one's just right, but it's round. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take measurements and go see what kind of water bottles I can find. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, just lay it on its side, and it'll fit if I lay it on its side. But I never like leaving a water bottle laying on its side. Just if it leaks, it's going to be a big old leak someday. So, yeah. But, yeah, I'm going to go measure and try different configurations. Oh, and by configurations, I also mean I'm changing the carts around, like I turn that one sideways to push it back. The whole reason, I want something simple right here, so all I have to do is move it out of my way and have access to my drawers. That's the point of having the access right there. If not, since they want to go to the front, why not let them go to the front, right? But that's why. All right, so this is almost working too. This is 2 shoe boxes, and the only challenge is I can fill it with heavy art supplies like beads. It's still a little bit short, so I'll have to figure out something like that so the wood board can go across. Then when I want to get in there, boom, there you go. Wait a minute, I just noticed this curves in, right? And here we go. Boom! Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. All right, now for some water bottles. Let's try it out. All right, so apparently we are at a 4th stopping point for the day. I forgot Lucy has a little fatty tumor, and I got to take her to the vet. So we will finish this project tomorrow. Now I have to reassemble everything. No! By the way, the doctor said everything's fine with Lucy, and she's just at home snoring on the bed, huh? This bed don't move. Can you hear her snore? She's so happy to be home, and she wants to sleep in Daddy's room, don't ya? You want to sleep with Father? She keeps running into that bedroom, so we'll see. I'm glad she got a clean bill of health.